If you open a new tab and type NetAcad, the first link you'll see will be the path to your career. This is NetAcad, a place where you can learn any skill, anywhere, all for free. These are not just numbers, these are facts, a point to be proven. Learn as many courses as you want, and it can help you land a job. Now, the first thing to access this website is to sign up, either with your email ID or your Google account. This is your dashboard. After signing in, you will see some list of courses which will be recommended to you, and you can always just go in the search bar and type in something relevant. But for today, I'm going to explain Python Essential 1. As you can see, I have clicked on the course, and let's take a look at what it's about. There are mainly two options. One is self-paced, and the other is learning with an instructor. Many people would prefer with learning by yourself at any time. There are 4 chapters in this course, each consisting of 5 to 6 different topics. The first one is all about the introduction. After reviewing the course, you will be able to give a quiz at the end of it. Upon completing, a certified badge and a certificate will be given by the Cisco Networking Academy. And you will also be eligible to receive a discount for the Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer, also known as PCEP. So you may be able to get a 50% off, and the rest you have to pay. Now, let's review these chapters. Introduction to Python and Computer Programming. In this module, you'll take your very first steps into the world of coding. We'll explore what programming is, why Python is one of the most popular languages, and how you can write your first lines of code with ease. By the end of this module, you'll understand the basic structure of a Python program and feel confident using it to solve simple problems. Anyone can learn it. The modules include Module 1, Introduction to Python and Computer Programming Basics. Module 2 covers data types, variables, input-output, and basic operators. Module 3 explores Boolean values, conditions, loops, lists, and logical or bitwise operations. Module 4 focuses on functions, tuples, dictionaries, exceptions, and data processing. There are also more topics in this chapter, and after each module, there will be a module test, which consists of 10 questions and a minimum of 70% to pass. Now let's move on to the next module.